What are we up to, kids?
We're spray painting the silage rigging.
Spray painting the silage rigging, yeah. So I've just ground all the rust off the top of these. We obviously ripped the floor out of it because I broke a part of it and bent one of the floor feeders, or whatever you want to call it. So I ground all the rust off those, chipped it off the side there, and kids have got some old spray cans and they're just spraying it. So I've got some, I haven't used it before, but it's called rust converter. I'm going to try that. Well, spray it on anyways, and yeah, then we'll put the floor on. If I had a bit more time, I probably would have done a bit of work to like taking some rust off some of that, but it's not too rusty down there, to be honest. It's actually pretty good. It's just surface rust.
Dad, can we go over this black?
Yep, have you got some left?
Yeah. Dad, over here, I have to use a lot because it's still good.
I think that's pretty thick, Sadie. Look at it running down the... Look on this side. Don't get your hair in it.
I keep on doing that.
That's better. Nice thick paint, it's not going to let it rust.
Yeah, but
So I hope to get it done this afternoon. Today's Saturday. I broke it on Wednesday. I broke it on Wednesday. So I was going to try and get it fixed earlier, but I've just ended up feeding out a few more silage bales to get me by. Right, that's enough, I think. That's good, Ezra? No, I can't open it, Sadie. No.
You got new mug.
Oh,
she has it on Vicky.
He's sharing. Hey, Sadie. Have you guys got a little picnic going on here on my flooring?
You take it back in when you go in.
this one's tired.
No, Mum's getting into it.
I should be allowed to have a big bee.
We've got quite a rainbow looking paint job here. Two colours.
Oh, it's the grey from yesterday.
No, they did.
Grey,
Grey, yeah, two different.
Oh, the new one is
That-
better.
That one's clear. It's a rust converter.
Yeah, I asked them.
Yeah.
They said that's what you get.
Yeah, Ben said it works. I don't even know what rust converter is, so supposedly you can convert it from rust to metal again. I don't know.
Is there like
That might be a wives' tale.
Is there like a fat converter?
That's what I need.
See? Hamish, stop using my conditioner. We don't need more condition.
They say their cows are like their owners.
I think we're vulnerable at the moment.
Need yeah, I also need my battery skill saw under the bench in there. You go and get that. I'll mark the first one out. You got it? Miriam, come here, Miriam.
Dad, I tried drilling in with my drill on a bit of wood, but
Yeah.
it didn't. When it got in a bit further, it just
Battery must be getting flatter. One. You reckon that's good enough?
here, the other side, on my side. Yeah.
Yeah, but
There.
you're going to cut down there like that, okay? You push that forward. that work, Sadie?
Yes,
You got it on the line? Because it's got to be straight or else we won't be able to... Yep, that's close enough. Right, just going to cut the next bit. Watch your fingers.
Hammer. Hammer over there.
That clears the dent in the finger.
There's still a dent.
No, it's in.
Stand there.
Look at that. Woohoo! So we just had a little issue. I was trying to use these bugle screws. I know bugle screws are for wood, but what I was, our local Mitre 10 doesn't have much of a selection of screws that go into steel, and what I was hoping to do is use the correct drill bit that these here would go in and just go through the steel nicely. But what we've found is a 6mm is nice for it to go through, but it tends to strip. If you go to 5.5, you just snap the screws off. So I've gone back to these here. I've used these before, but I just think that they're old school because they've got a Phillips head, and should be able to get something that's got like your bugle screw head or a star head or a square drive for screwing into steel. And you probably can, it's just Waihi Mitre 10 doesn't stock them, so that's what we're going to use now. I just think they're a little bit weak, a bit small, but we'll see if we can drill through the steel, because they've sort of got to go through, must be 3 or 4mm steel they've got to go through, so hopefully that piece there will drill through it. So we'll try it now. We've got several bugle screws over here that have snapped off, but then we've got some that have held when we've drilled the 6mm bit. And the other issue is that on the bottom of the steel is all the old screws sticking down, so if you get one of those when you're drilling the hole through, it throws off to the side. So we'll try this and see how it goes.
Mine hasn't got
That's just rounded off, so probably gonna drill a hole through first.
Mine's done.
Yours is done too, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, I can do yours real good. And you can screw.
That's what
Yeah,
we're gonna do,
mine
is
just
it?
needs to do.
Wait, there's right.
It's up there. You have your one eye. Yeah, not broken. You can use yours for that. Pink hat. He's got a pink hat.
So what Ezra's doing is we're bolting on these pieces that go on the side, and the floor chains run against that, so it can't run against that side. So we've got the floor in, managed to get in, even though we had dilemmas with the screws, but it's in now. So we're just going to get these bolted in. We've got one cap for the other side drilled, ready to bolt in, and then we'll put the chains back on the floor. You have to push it over hard, Ezra. You put that in, I'll push it over. Okay, lift it up and have a look. Look, underneath. Where's the hole?
Yeah.
Will it go down? Yeah. Alright, so you can take those nuts around that on the outside with that spanner and put them on. I'll show you where they go. There's one right there, and another one down there. The edge is just tightening this nut on the bottom of there. And yeah, not bad for a farmer, Ezra.
Yeah.
So now we can put the chains back in. Yay! Right, let's move all these tools.
measuring the tape?
Yeah, we're going to measure inside there. Inside there to see if it's 60. So we're going to go to 20 mils yet.
It's about 60.
Yeah, that's right, 60. 60 millimeters. Yep. Right, go to the other side. See how that's tight now? The chain's tight. And underneath, yeah, that's pretty good. Whereas this side here is still slack, see?
And a beach feed.
Yeah.
Why did you use it?
Why do I not use it? I do use it. Well, you probably weren't with me, but I use it to spray the gorse over by those prairie trees.
Yeah.
Where we were the other day.
Yeah. I'm going to put this up.
That's right there for now. Alright, so that was successful. New floor on that. It's worked really good. Up here it should last a few years now like that. Perfect. Good way to end the day. We're going to go and have a swim.
And it pops. And it rides
Swim it down and pops.
And ride the motorbike.
And ride the motorbike. And Suzanne's mowing the lawn, I see, so we're getting things done. Anyone want some poplar? Got heaps of poplar for sale. 110 or 20 a load for 1.7 cube. That's a deal for you. Okay, get out.